Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you State Farm Drive Safe and Save setup instructions. Start by getting the State Farm mobile app on your phone. Open your messages and type the word save, then send it to 42407. You will receive a link that takes you directly to download the app. Install it and open it once the download is complete. Sign in using your State Farm account details. If you do not already have an account, follow the steps on the screen to create one. After logging in, look for the menu option labeled Drive Safe and Save. Tap on it to begin the setup process for your vehicle. Follow the prompts to enroll your vehicle. Make sure the information you enter matches your policy details. Once enrollment is complete, you will need to wait for your Bluetooth beacon to arrive in the mail. This small device is important for tracking your driving behavior. When the beacon arrives, open the app again. Go back to the Drive Safe and Save section and choose the option to activate or pair your beacon. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone so the app can find the device. Next, place the beacon inside your vehicle. The recommended spot is on your windshield, where it has a clear and secure position. You can also place it in another safe location if needed, but make sure it stays fixed and does not move around. Now check your phone settings. Enable Bluetooth, GPS or location services, and mobile data. Set location access to always allow so the app can track trips properly. Repeat the same setup steps for each driver and each vehicle on your policy. Thanks for watching.